Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the 10 times table worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the 10 times table worksheet. Question 1. Use the digit cards to create a multiplication that equals the answer below, which is this answer here, 40. So we need a multiplication, so we're not going to need the addition symbol, so I'm going to cross it out. So we could have then, we've got our times, we've got our equals, and we've got two numbers. So we could have 4 multiplied by 10, or we could have 10 multiplied by 4, because we know that both calculations will give the same answer. 4 groups of 10 or 10 groups of 4. And we can count in tens to work out the answer. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 groups of 10 is 40, which is our answer. Question 2. Circle the odd one out. So we need to find out what calculations B and C are representing, as A and D are already written out for us. So let's start with B and let's count the groups. I can see that we've got number pieces here and each number piece shows 10. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. 6 groups with 10 in each group. So we've got 6 times 10, or 6 multiplied by 10. Down here for C then, we've got an array. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 10. But let's see how many groups there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 10. Now, I know that 10 jumps of 7 or 7 jumps of 10 is 70, because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. For this one, I know that it's 60, but I'm going to count my jumps of 10 to prove it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, I know that these two numbers in this multiplication will give the same answer as this multiplication up here, because the numbers are just swapped over. But let's count in tens to check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And we've got the same calculation here, which will also give us 70, which means B is the odd one out. Moving on to question 3. Lucy and Richard are rolling a dice and multiplying the number they land on by 10. Lucy says the highest number we can make is 60. Richard says the lowest number we can make is 0. Are they correct? Explain your answer. So if we're thinking about a dice, we know it has 6 sides. And the smallest number it shows is 1. And the greatest number it shows is 6. If Lucy and Richard are multiplying their numbers by 10, Lucy is correct, because 6 times 10, or 6 jumps of 10, is 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now for Richard though, the lowest number we can make is 1. And we know that 1 multiplied by 10, or 1 jump of 10, is 10. He said the lowest number is 0, so he is incorrect. The lowest number they can make after multiplying by 10 is 10.
That was the answer explanation video for the 10 times table worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.